Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So if you're someone who likes spicy and sour fish curry in green masala, then today's video is just for you. So today I'm going to make my fish curry in green masala. Making the green masala is super simple. There are just basic ingredients that go into this masala. The process is also simple. You can use any fish. I'm using mackerel, which is also known as Bangda. You can use the silver pomfret, you can use the black pomfret, which is also known as halwa. You can also use kingfish. You can use any fish of your choice. So stick till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So here I have two mackerel which are cut into 3 pieces each. I have washed them well and I will season it with salt and turmeric powder. We'll rub it well with our hands and we'll keep it aside while we prepare our masala. Now the masala is very simple. Now in a mixer jar, I'll take half cup of wet grated coconut, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 3 green chilies. If you want it spicy, you can increase. Then goes in 4 garlic cloves. Now these are the big ones. If you have the small ones, you can use around 8 to 10. Then goes in 1-inch ginger, 1 small onion roughly chopped. If you have a medium size or big size onion, you can use half, and half you can use it for sauteing. Then goes in 1 small lime sized tamarind which I soaked in hot water. This will give a nice sour taste to our masala. Then goes in the backbone of this masala, that's fresh coriander leaves. Now you can take around 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, just roughly chop it and add it into the mixer jar. And then finally goes in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'm not adding any salt in the masala because I've already seasoned the fish with salt. So later on I will taste the curry and then adjust the salt if needed. Now we'll blend this into a smooth paste. So always remember, when you're blending the masala, the mixer jar heats up, which leads to changing the color of a fresh coriander leaves. So especially when you're using fresh coriander leaves or making green masala, always add ice cubes or add cold water to control the heat and get a perfect green masala like this. And now let's begin with the cooking. Now in a pot, I'll be heating around 1 tablespoon oil. And once the oil is heated, I'll add in fresh curry leaves, followed by 1 small onion finely chopped. And we'll saute this onion until it's translucent. Here I'll add in 1 green chili slit. So here, as you can see, our onions have turned translucent. And now we'll add in our masala. And then I will just fry it for 30 seconds on high flame, making sure that I don't burn the masala. And then we'll add in some water. So in the mixer jar, I added some water and used up all the masala, and I've transferred the water in the pot. Now we'll put the flame on high and we'll let this simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. Here I'll just add around 1 teaspoon of salt. And to add up a little more sourness to our gravy, I'll be adding in raw mango. I just love raw mangoes in curry.
Nice.
Let me know in the comments below how many of y'all are with me, how many of y'all love raw mangoes in curry. Now always make sure that you don't add too much water and make the curry liquidy. Always keep your curry in a thick form so that you enjoy it with chapati, bhakari or rice. I love to eat it with rice. Look at this, the curry is perfectly done. It's been around 10 to 15 minutes that I let it simmer. Now the curry is come to a boiling stage. And at this stage, we need to add in our fish. You can add any fish you want. You can also add pomfret. You can slice the pomfret and add it into the gravy. It tastes amazing. Now here we've added all the mackerel. Now whenever you're adding the mackerel or whenever you're buying the mackerel, make sure that you get the smaller one. Cut it into 3 pieces and add it to the gravy. Now, the reason why we simmered the curry for 10 to 15 minutes before adding the fish, it's only because fish doesn't take much time to cook and we do not want our curry to be raw. We do not want our coconut, the masala to be raw. That's the reason we simmered the curry before adding the fish for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after adding the fish, you just need to boil it for around 3 to 4 minutes maximum, and then you can just turn off the flame and let the curry rest for a while. Now, the best time to eat this curry is after 7 to 8 hours, or if you make it in the night, eat it the next day. If you make it in the afternoon, eat it in the night. The taste enhances. I remember when my mother used to make this curry, I used to eat it the next day with a nice crispy kadak pav. So that's it, our curry is done. Now we'll turn off the flame and we'll let the curry rest for a while. So that's about it, guys. I'll be enjoying my fish curry in green masala. Do try this out at home. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Till then, I will see you again. My name is Stan. Bye bye.